We go. Good luck, Jess. To box number 1 of WWE Hobby 2021 Wrestling. Good luck, Jess. Here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. There it is. Box number 1 right there. That would work. And if we see the autograph, we'll save it to the end. Good luck. Buena suerte. Sasha Banks, 2016 memorable entrances. '70 of 75. Drew McIntyre defeats Angel Garza. Our first numbered card. Got an orange? Oh, that's our autograph, is it? Yeah, that's our autograph. We're going to wait. Third pack in, we got our autograph. Scott Hall becomes a double champion. Mace rookie. Batista. T-Bar. Really wish we got Dijakovic rookies instead of T-Bar. Seth Rollins. Diamond parallel. Dakota Kai right in Jazzer's face. Mustafa Ali. All right, we'll see. How about 253 and 299 building rainbows? Drew McIntyre defeats Angel Garza. Show you the other cards there. That building rainbows of Drew McIntyre. But Shinsuke has a smaller autograph. I mean, a bigger autograph. Doesn't he sign all over the card? Tamina against her former tag team partner. No, they weren't tag team partners. Coolest tag teams. Still got a relic in here somewhere. Come on, relic. Here it is. It is Jordan Devlin. Worlds Collide. NXT versus NXT UK. 169 of 299. On Jordan Devlin. Well, I sure hope the autograph makes up for this relic card. I'll take off the top 2 cards, so I'll take off that autograph. I still haven't seen the auto. Diamond, Pete Dunne. We get a third hit. See some boxes with third hits in this. $294 of $299. AJ Styles calls out The Undertaker. $294 of $299. Diamond. New Day retain the SmackDown Tag Team Championships in a Fatal 4-Way match. So just reading that. Jimmy Uso. Clearing the airspace. Otis qualifies for the men's Money in the Bank ladder match, and he wins it. Spoiler alert. RVD. Just an FYI if you guys haven't seen it. Alright, we got Molly Holly on the top. Our autograph is right behind her. Big E, Sheamus, and Natalya. And our autograph is gonna be... She says Shinsuke. I don't think it's Shinsuke. Oh, it is Shinsuke. 39/50. This is what you were looking at. You're looking at the arm. My bad. 39/50. Shinsuke Nakamura. And I had revealed that much of the card. Nice little box again, though. You had Shinsuke, AJ Styles, cousin Undertaker, Jordan Devlin, Drew McIntyre, and Drew McIntyre. Look at that. Building these little rainbows of Drew McIntyre defeats Angel Garza. Thank you, Jess. Appreciate it as always.